circle graphs. We're going to identify the fraction section and find the decimal or the percent. So first of all, when you have a straight line always tells you it is 1/2. And 1/2, if you put it as on the bottom is a power of 10, that's a place value. So this would be 5/10 is the equivalency, or 0.5, 5/10. And then to find the percent, we put it per cent, or per 100. Find the equivalency, this would be 50%. On the next one, you have, see these right angles, that tells you it's 1/4. It's a 90-degree angle. So 1/4, again, we put it over per cent, because we can't put it over 10, so it's percent. So we find the equivalency is 25%. So this is 0.25 and 25%. The last one, if we were going to take this and cut it into two equal sections, they would be eighths. So 1/8, the easiest to do this is 1 divided by 8. Once you type that into a calculator or do the divisions, it's 0.125. And then to turn it into a percent, notice this is the thousandths, it'd be 12.5 because we moved the decimal twice. This middle circle, you see the blue triangle. It's equilateral triangle, meaning they're all the same. So you can envision that's going to be on each tick. Envision that on each tick, and then you can go ahead and remove the triangle. And what you're going to find is you have your thirds. So each one is going to be equal to 1/3. And 1/3 is, we can't put it as per 100. The closest you're going to get is per 99. That's the reason why it's 33 to 90 over 99. So we know this is 33%, 0.3 with the Repeten bar over it. And then you can cut these if you extended all these lines straight through. That would be cutting every one into half. So each one would be 6. And again, 1/6. Do 1 divided by 6, and you're going to get 16.7%, 0.67. Could be rounded to 17%. This last one, you see the star inside, that's a 5-pointed star. So if we were going to make tick marks on our 5 points, on the 5 corners, if you can envision your star, then you will also be able to envision your fifths. So each one is going to be 1/5 and 1/5. Again, you put it over 10 is going to be 2/10. 0.2 percent is 20%. And then if you're going to extend all of these lines straight through, you would see that you would have 10 sections. Now, they don't have to be neat, but we're extending them for right now. So it's 1/10. So 1/10 is 1/10. And if you put that as percent, it would be 10%.